If you've been looking for effective and safe ways to brighten up your smile without breaking the bank or using harsh chemicals, this video may give you an idea or two. Our first natural method is oil pulling. This ancient practice involves swishing a tablespoon of coconut oil or sesame oil around your mouth for about 15-20 minutes. The oil helps remove plaque and bacteria, contributing to a brighter smile over time. Another effective approach is using a paste made from baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Mix a small amount of baking soda with a few drops of hydrogen peroxide to form a paste. Gently brush your teeth with this mixture for a minute or two, but avoid excessive use as it can be abrasive to your enamel. Did you know that some fruits can help whiten your teeth naturally? Strawberries and oranges, for example, contain natural enzymes that can break down stains. Simply rub the inside of a strawberry or orange peel on your teeth for a minute, then rinse thoroughly. Apple cider vinegar is known for its antibacterial properties and can help remove stubborn stains. Create a rinse by diluting apple cider vinegar with water and swish it around your mouth for about 30 seconds. Rinse thoroughly afterward to prevent acid erosion. Remember, maintaining good oral hygiene habits is essential for long-term teeth whitening. Brush and floss regularly. Use a fluoride toothpaste, and limit your intake of staining foods and drinks like coffee, tea, and red wine. These are all natural methods to help whiten your teeth at home. Keep in mind that results may vary depending on your individual circumstances. If you're looking for more dramatic results, consider consulting a dental professional or using reliable teeth whitening products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay smiling, stay healthy, and thanks for watching.